Imagine your outdoor space transformed into a vibrant, blooming oasis without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore creative and affordable DIY flower bed designs that will elevate your backyard or patio. Learn how to choose the right plants, plan your layout, and add personal touches to create a stunning floral arrangement that reflects your unique style. A well-designed flower bed can add a touch of beauty, color, and fragrance to your outdoor space. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity, connect with nature, and enhance the overall appeal of your home. With a little imagination and effort, you can create a stunning flower bed that's both visually appealing and budget-friendly. Selecting the right plants is essential for a thriving flower bed. Consider the size of your space, the amount of sunlight it receives, and your desired aesthetic. Opt for plants that are well suited to your local climate and require minimal maintenance. Incorporate a mix of annuals, perennials, and shrubs to ensure year-round color and interest. When choosing plants, consider their height, spread, and blooming season. This will help you create a balanced and visually appealing arrangement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, textures, and fragrances to find the perfect combination that reflects your personal style. The layout of your flower bed can significantly impact its overall appearance. Consider the shape of your space and the surrounding elements, such as trees, shrubs, and buildings. A curved or circular design can add a softer, more organic look, while a rectangular or square shape can provide a more formal appearance. Think about the focal point of your flower bed. This could be a statue, a bird bath, or a unique plant. Arrange other plants around the focal point to create a balanced and visually appealing composition. Create a raised flower bed using materials like wood, bricks, or stones. This can help improve drainage and provide a more defined space for your plants. Use pots, planters, or repurposed containers to create a portable flower bed. This is a great option for small spaces or if you want to change the look of your garden frequently. Incorporate rocks and stones into your flower bed for a unique and textured design. Choose plants that thrive in rocky conditions, such as succulents or alpine flowers. Maximize your space by creating a vertical garden. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted pots, or living walls to add greenery to your outdoor space. Personalize your flower bed with unique accessories and decor. Incorporate garden ornaments, bird baths, or wind chimes to create a focal point. Add a touch of color with decorative rocks or pebbles. Consider using outdoor lighting to highlight the beauty of your plants and extend your enjoyment of your garden into the evening. To keep your flower bed looking its best, regular maintenance is essential. Water your plants regularly, especially during dry periods. Remove weeds and dead flowers to promote healthy growth. Fertilize your plants with a balanced fertilizer once or twice a year. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a stunning flower bed that transforms your outdoor space. By following these tips and incorporating your personal style, you'll have a beautiful and budget-friendly addition to your home. So, start planning your DIY flower bed today and enjoy the rewards of your hard work. Ready to start your DIY flower bed project? Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your own flower bed designs. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.